Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought I would do a July garden tour really quick. So here is the garden. It's kind of looking crazy. There's my mint. Oh, some tomatoes, some cherry tomatoes. I can't remember which ones those are. A cucumber plant that just kind of died on me. My nasturtiums and strawberries. More strawberries and flowers in this container. My granddaughter hadn't come over, so they all kind of just died on the vine there. So there's some kale, my cucumber plants, my green beans. They're doing pretty good. I planted a purple, yellow, and a green variety. Like I said, my kale, my Swiss chard. What else I got over here? Some peppers, some banana peppers. Jalapeno peppers haven't started yet. Some flowers. There's two more cucumber plants, and they look like they're starting to do something. They've kind of been slow. There's a zucchini hiding way over there on the other side. Tried to film that. And our only big boy tomato plant, it's got one tomato on it. Everything else is cherry tomatoes. Some more kale that I just cut all the way down. Some flowers here, I think it's zinnias. I've got some green bell pepper plants, a ton actually. I think I got about 6 of those. So they're starting to kind of put on some fruit there. More peppers and some basil down in there. What is this, a cabbage, I believe? More cherry tomatoes. These are really good. I've been eating mostly off that plant just when I'm like outside. We've got more green bell peppers, another cherry tomato plant that needs to be staked really bad. It's falling over. Here is my other potato container. I already harvested my smaller one. And there's my blueberries. They aren't doing anything. It's the 3rd year. They've done nothing. I heard I need a second plant, so that could be why. I've been snacking on those too. Lots of cherry tomatoes because I had tons of seed packets, so I just planted a ton. There is, what is it, a Sweet Million? I can't remember which brand it is. More beans. This plant is probably going to come out. I think it's doing worse than that other bunch. That other bunch is still producing. I've been eating a lot off of that one. Another cherry tomato. We've got that zucchini that I was trying to show you on the other side. And see, even my cucumbers have made their way over here. They're just vining that entire back row. So there they are. And then out in the grass, I just have a bunch of zucchini plants. They aren't doing the best. They're producing here and there. I've been just cutting off whatever I see, but last few days I haven't. And, you give them an extra day and they are massive. And that's pretty much what's happened with those zucchini. So that's the garden. I will try to insert a photo at the end of a recent harvest I just did of onions in that small potato container I was talking about. Here's some of my houseplants. They're doing okay. I probably need to move these guys out of the sun. They get morning sun. That's my favorite leaf there that I'm showing you. They get morning sun, but some of them are starting to burn. So I may have to kind of switch around. So thanks so much for watching.